Hi, class. Well, welcome to week 5. This is our final week. I know it went by really fast. So this week is a crucial week. Most times my students fizzle out at this time. And I can't tell you, a lot of your points is in this week. You have 2 assignments in this week that's worth 100 points each. You need to complete both of them. Getting a 0 or less points will hurt you this week. So I really want you to focus on getting everything completed this week. Again, I want to encourage you, if you have any missing assignments through the whole course, I'm still grading those. I'm still accepting them. You can pass this class if you submit your work. So with that said, let's recap week 4. Oh, one more thing. If you have not completed the end of term survey, go ahead and get that completed. We do use your insight and your input. Your feedback is valuable to us to improve our courses and our instruction. Now, going to week 4, we talked about problem solving and critical thinking. Great discussion board. Guys, I can't tell you how impressed I was with your solutions for ASLAN. Excellent work across the board. You guys did great work. I love reading how you guys analyze and come up with your solutions for ASLAN. So excellent work. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Now, let's move into week 5. Week 5 is a powerful week because it talks about having a growth mindset, which we all need in order to succeed. So this final week prepares you for the rest of your college days and for your career, because it helps you focus your mind and give you a growth mindset. Not focus on what's in the past or what mistakes you've made or where you wish you could be, but it gives you a mindset. It gives you the tools to have a growth mindset so that you can be successful. So as you go through the lessons and look at the videos, take notes, write in your journal. Make sure you embrace the things that are being taught to you this week, because these things will take you far, okay? Then you have a discussion question in week 5 where you're going to reflect on what you learned in this course. Talk about what you learned and how this course can assist you in your education, your future courses with Vista. List some important concepts that you've learned and what you didn't like the least. How will this course assist you in your educational endeavors? And I would take that even further. How will this course assist you in your career endeavors? What things can you apply from this course in problem solving, budgeting, goal setting, all of the things, time management, all of the things that we've covered in this class? How can you apply that to your professional life? And then you'll have, again, 2 assignments, like I mentioned earlier. Both of those assignments are worth 100 points each. You don't want to get a 0 in those. So please, please complete every activity this week, okay? Like I said before, you need 700 points to pass this class. Look at your grade points. Where are you in that range? Make sure that you're going to have at least, I want you to have more than 700 points, but you need 700 to pass. At least you have 700 points at the end of this class. Now, if you have any questions, any concerns, please do not hesitate to call me or text me, shoot me an email. This week I'm going to be online and on my phone a lot because I'm going to try to contact people who haven't turned in assignments. So come on, guys. I need you guys to finish strong. Let me know if I can do anything to assist you. Have a great week.